This little sweetie is Dren. He is a miniature schnauzer with a very soft coat. As you can see, Dren has found all of our toys and he is loving it. He's been enjoying some time off leash in our lecture hall. His favorite seems to be the stuffed toys. He really likes those. He also loves people. Dren's tail's always wagging. He'll come right up to you for some love and attention. Just a very affectionate, good-natured little dog. While he's been here at the Humane Society, Dren does prefer to go to the bathroom outside, and he does walk nicely on his leash. In addition, he does seem to know how to sit, so he's already a very well-trained dog. He's curious, loves to smell and sniff, as you can see, so he'd be great in a home that can take him for walks, so he can do that. But definitely spend some time loving and playing with Dren as well. He's just such a sweet, good-natured little dog. He's going to make someone a wonderful new little pet.